We were actually on the highway and we saw the traffic stopping. We assumed that it was a traffic accident, but when we looked towards the right, we saw fire and the smoke. So we stopped, and then we saw the trains derailed. Some had fallen on the top and some were at the bottom. There were just, people going by trying to see what they could do, but everybody was at a standstill because they couldn't believe what had just occurred. It was a horrific scene.
And you were there even before the police arrived?
Yes, we were there before the police or the ambulance arrived. They took them about a couple of minutes before they arrived.
And you mentioned there were people standing around, they were stunned, but eventually I understand some people did go to help. They tried to help the emergency services?
Right. We were standing on top, so we were looking down. So some of the people, the pedestrians, were walking towards the train, and they were taking blocks or whatever they could throw at the windows to see if they could get people out.
And there was some of the cars, I understand, or at least one of them, was on fire. Did you get a clear view of that?
Yes, we did. It was quite a horrific scene.
Right.
I guess the first train, the one that actually drives, was the one that was on fire.
So essentially the engine,
yeah,
okay. When you take a look at what happened, and you're now learning that this death toll is ticking up, it's just been announced that 77 people are confirmed dead in this accident. I guess when you look at that wreckage, that's not surprising to you, is it?
Oh, it's quite horrific. I mean, you would have never assumed that something like that could happen at this, age, where technology is so advanced. It was very shocking. It seemed like a scene from a Hollywood movie.
Right. Could you tell us, how long do you think it took before the police and the rescue crews got there?
Well, the first police officer arrived within 5 minutes, and then, the ambulance started coming.
Did you get a chance to speak with anybody nearby? Did you talk with any of the locals there?
Some of the people who reside here, and they said that, it was something horrific. They were just, horrified and in shock that something like that had happened here.